So the first thing I'm going to talk about is the fear of missing out. I heard this pop up again recently, FOMO, and I was like, oh, right, I've heard that before. And it's a really interesting idea that mostly I've heard it used in kind of social circles where it's kind of like, well, it's a new, platform we want to be on or a new place you want to show your work. You don't want to miss out on that. So you're constantly scattered looking to make sure you're on every new thing because just in case that becomes the newest Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or whatever you want to think of as a platform that blew up, right? You want to make sure you're on that because if you're not on it, it might be too late, right? In some people's minds, maybe you won't be an early adopter and you won't be able to get as much success, or maybe you won't be able to get the name you want, or many other things, right? So what we'll do as creators, and this is not just on social media, of course, it's on everything. You hear there's a new, type of gear that's out there, a new technique. You want to learn how to do it all. You want to get all over the place because you don't want to be the person that's not doing that thing when the thing becomes popular. And this kind of chasing trends and stuff or reactive action is not, in my opinion, the best way to really truly grow as a creator.